off to get her nails done. We gotta take our trailer to the trailer repair shop. Good morning, baby. Did you hear Mama car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is your mom car?
You wanna walk with me to get the big truck?
Huh?
Okay.
In the window.
In the window.
I want to see a monster truck.
Not the monster truck, the big white truck.
I want to see the white one.
Okay. Well, let's take a walk on the wild side.
I think we should go on that side.
Okay, let's go on the sidewalk side. Come on, Kai. We gotta go take the trailer back, but the trailer place is right over there. So we're gonna go drop it off and walk over there. Oh, that's not your house, it's neighbors. Come on. Well, somebody just rolled down the street. She's got the pink headlights on. Must be because she's driving.
I didn't get my nails done.
That's what I told him. There's something else getting done. All right, something for bikini time. Well, are you gonna give us a ride to the big truck? What are you doing?
Yeah, I was actually before the big truck. I do need to go get my nails done.
We're gonna go take the trailer back.
In Branson, Missouri, too, if I need to.
Okay.
So what do you want me to do? Get them done now, or wait till Branson, Missouri?
We need to take us to the big truck so we can take the trailer over there.
Okay.
We're not fixing the truck. We're taking the trailer to get a little hub re-greasing. Yeah, a little TLC.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta pick up Daddy. Daddy's walking home.
Who goes up first? Who wants to go up first?
I don't want to go.
No, Mama's gonna go get her nails done. Oh, this is the CB. Push the button.
Do you know what we have? You know that I found?
What we find?
Lego Man.
You found Lego Man. They tried to steal my Lego Man.
Hey.
All right, sit your butts back, please.
I want to go to Legoland.
You want to go Legoland? We just went to Legoland. Okay. All done. Sit down. Thank you. We all want to go there again.
Really go from camping.
So leaving where we parked the truck. Southeast Trailer Mart's right down here. Yeah, babe. Can't honk the horn, baby. You gotta sit down until we get there. You can honk it when we get there, okay? If you ever need a trailer repair out here in the South Carolina, Greenville area, I don't know how quick they can be, but they do a good job. So I'm dropping the trailer off for, 8 days? Yeah, babe. Cash wants to go Circle K? Maybe we will. We got to drop this trailer real quick. That's the first order of business before we go on some trips. After what? Yeah, we do. All right, Al. Right here on Pride Drive. Uh-oh, got a car coming. You gonna hold up for us there, Prius? Oh, nice pothole right there. I'm hoping they have that part in. We'll go turn it around, see where they want me to put it. They got a yard jockey too, though. He can put it where he needs to put it. Just got to avoid the massive craters from the water runoff. See if Crispy's working today. I think that's him right there. Last name is Crisp, so they call him Crispy. Oh, he's got some burnout cars. I got a paint booth right there. To my right. Ventilated paint booth. It's cool. room to get her back straight with that forklift right there. Guys, please stop fighting.
It's Jason.
Jason.
He wants to hold my Rubik's Cube when I say that. Like,
He wants to hold your Rubik's Cube. There we go. As long as I can clear that forklift, I can get my trailer straight. It's just that little bad angle. There we go. Not hit the back of the yard jockey. I think I need a little more angle. Come on, Kai. Yeah, that's a Western Express.
On my sock.
Your sock? It says Western Express.
Or
Okay, awesome guys. They don't have the part still. I talked real quick. What's like? Sorry, man. I got one more little thing. Brandon, right? Chandler. Dang it. I'll remember from Friends.
Yeah.
The brand new tires you guys put on there.
Yeah.
The back right forward outside. It was through 30 psi, and I couldn't find a puncture anywhere.
Okay.
So you might see that it's low on psi when you pull it out. I just couldn't find a puncture. I don't know if the rim wasn't setting or what. But without the air inflation system, I sat there.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
Cool. Thanks, Chandler. Later, buddy. All right. So they don't have the little piece that goes in the middle of the spindle that inflates the air from the axle. What, baby? Water? One more war? What kind of wars are we going to have? World War III? Oh, one more honk. Okay, when we leave, because we don't want them thinking that we want their attention right now, okay? Chandler. We got to remember Chandler. Nice guy. So Southeast Trailer Mart, they would have had the part already in. They have the cap with the little tiny piece that has two little, I don't know how to explain them, two little nozzle things that got ripped up when the bearings were rotating around in there. So there's a freeze plug in there right now, but we need that piece that goes in the spindle so the air system will work again, and they can't find it anywhere. So hopefully they can find it. They got about 8 days. Travis is on vacation, the guy that was dealing with it last time, but Chandler's gonna take care of it. So we got a big list of everything getting done. They're actually gonna replace the whole board for me that I replaced the wood. If you've been watching the channel for a while, there's a piece of wood that I replaced myself. It works. I haven't had a trailer rejected since, but I want that whole plank replaced now. And they're gonna do the front piece where the forklift comes in. They're gonna use composite plastic instead of the metal. They say it's way more durable and cheaper. So I said, okay. This guy's pulling in here, so we'll get out of here. Thank you, man. All right. Little overcast today. We'll get these three amigos, park this truck back, and then T-Dub's gonna come pick us up. Look who it is. Good old T-Dubs herself. Is that it? What'd you say? Grab it. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Stinker.
Mama.
Kyle, what were you saying to the people?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go. I like the pickles, but then you saw that I had one, so you ate it. Yeah. Before we, I don't know what we're gonna do. We drop the charger off, get the tires switched, and once T-Dubs gets back from her appointment, we might go pick up the transmission too. I don't know, but we're doing chicken sandwich. Trailer's dropped off. I hope they get that part in, but I'm gonna start searching for it, try and find a part number. But right now, we eat. We're gonna hit the car wash real quick because if they wanna get some ice cream, they gotta put a little work in, you know? And Mama's car needs some vacuuming pretty badly, and some windows have some handprints all over them, so we'll go over that, and then we'll get some ice cream, and then, yeah, get the other set of tires. I can only take 2 wheels and 2 tires over there. Our other tires are supposed to be shipped or delivered today. Hopefully they get in there. You guys having a dance party?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I dodged that thing.
Where's your shoes at, boy? Hey, window guy. Ah, look at all those smudges. Good job, dude. Wasn't you? Was it this one? Kason. Get your smudges on the windows. We are squeaky clean again. Good job, guys. You did do that. Oh, yeah. See how long that lasts, though. Ice cream? Ice cream? All right, get in your seat. Let me buckle you up. Here's your train. I will hold your iPad. Okay. So you guys did so good washing the car. It's time for ice cream. The Simpsonville ice cream station. She's blinging, though. She's clean. Woo! Thanks, Cash, for helping me get those smudges. Look at that dog over there.
Hold this mug with you.
So why do we bring all this stuff if I'm holding it? A little bigger than a train in the backyard, huh? Say hi. Come on.
That one is the most.
Oh my goodness.
The
This one, no. This one is yours. Oreos for yours with sprinkles. And yeah, this is my smiley face gummy bear man. All right, thanks for working hard on Mama's car. And I got a coconut. Mama caught up to us. Oh yeah. So we are going to be gone for, we say 3 days.
9 days.
We'll be back for half a day. We're going to go ahead and go here just to have a little fun day with them before we have some stuff to do. Because they love this place, and on a Tuesday, it's not too busy. Yeah.
Can we go out of this place? Can I have some rainbow dipping dots?
Where did we just have, Kason?
Oh, ice cream.
Yeah, we just had ice cream. Oh goodness, I don't know where Cash went. Oh, there he is. He's like, Dad, how do you do this one? He pushes the button one time. And he nails it right on the green. Oh my goodness, Kason. Yeah, buddy.
Oh no!
This is gonna scare me.
Gonna pop if I can stay.
But is it really in the pop?
Good.
That scared me too.
How many tickets did you get for that?
Oh, look how many tickets he's getting.
Good job, Case.
How much did he get?
68.
It's like
No.
68 tickets. Good job, Case. We are back and just got this from the front door. We have merchandise coming very soon, guys, about 3 weeks. So let's check out what's in here. This is going to be a limited time supply. We'll see how they sell, and then we will probably release more after that in different options. But I'm very excited to see what's inside this little package right here.
Me too.
All right, let's see what's in this thing, boy mama. We're just gonna give you a small sneak peek, not the whole thing, and you will see it at the Branson Truck Show. So here.
I think I can get it out.
Well, we got our new logo on the front, but the back is the real fun
What's
stuff.
on the back?
Like it?
Yeah.
You have your water bottle. Oh yeah, from Chuck E. Cheese. Nicely done. And that's a wrap for today, guys. Excited about the new merchandise coming out again, and we are excited to hit Branson, Missouri tomorrow.
Be bright and early.
So if you're around Missouri, we'd love to meet you. We'll be there Thursday and Friday, heading out in the morning on Saturday. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.